Hi, I'm Julie. I work with Accomplished Quilting in Sales and Education, and today I want to show you some really incredible things that the INNOVA Autopilot can do. Recently, INNOVA released Grand Format Embroidery, which is a simple upgrade to the Autopilot software. Let's look at the patterns that it comes with. Here's an example of an embroidery pattern, and I'm just going to click on it and drag it in here. And then to stitch it out, I will click on Go, and it's taking the pattern over to the machine, and then I just press Continue. It's going to go to the start of the pattern. Another great thing that you can do with the new software is to use Path Apply to make any pattern an embroidery pattern. Let me show you how we do that. I'm bringing in a pattern, and then I'm going to go to Path Apply. And there are many decorative stitches that are preloaded that you can just choose. And once you click on it, it adds that design to your pattern. You can add multiple patterns. And then when you're ready to stitch it out, you would just go ahead and press Go. You can also use the drawing tools to type in something. And now I have a pattern that I could use Path Apply on, so I will go back to Path Apply. I can choose any of these designs. And it's ready to stitch out just like an embroidery. Thanks for watching this video about the amazing technology improvements of Grand Format Embroidery. We love to see how INNOVA is always coming up with new inventions and groundbreaking innovations. Please contact us at 866-556-2552 to talk about getting an autopilot or Grand Format Embroidery from us today.